Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of tech with 20 of the coolest Amazon gadgets you can find right now. Whether you're a gadget geek or just love innovative tech, there's something here for everyone. Let's get started.
Hello. Are you looking for a game changer in wellness? The Oura Ring Gen 3 Horizon is the perfect blend of elegance and innovation. This ultra-sleek ring seamlessly tracks your sleep, activity, and overall health, offering valuable insights that can truly transform the way you approach your well-being. Equipped with cutting-edge sensors and tailored guidance, it helps you make smarter lifestyle choices to enhance your sleep quality, recovery, and performance. With the Oura Ring, you're not just wearing a piece of tech, but investing in a better, healthier you. Are you looking for a pen that sparks creativity and stands out from the rest? Let me introduce you to the Novium Hover Pen and its premium paper set. This isn't just any ordinary pen, it's a game changer. With its sleek black design, the Hover Pen adds a modern, futuristic touch to any desk, instantly drawing attention and sparking conversation. Its smooth writing experience makes every idea feel effortlessly alive as soon as it hits the page. And speaking of pages, the high-quality paper is acid-free, ensuring your notes, sketches, and doodles stay crisp and vibrant for years. This set is perfect for elevating your workspace or impressing someone with a unique gift. Whether you're adding a touch of sophistication to your desk or gifting it to someone who already has everything, you can't go wrong. Ready to take your outdoor adventures to the next level? The Gerber-free Escape Camp Saw is the ultimate tool you'll want by your side. Crafted with innovation and durability in mind, this saw effortlessly cuts through branches and rigid materials. Its compact design and folding blade make it incredibly portable, while the ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable, secure grip for extended use. Whether you're camping, hiking, or exploring the wild, this saw is engineered to handle it all with ease. But ordinary, the Davoom Timesgate is a futuristic masterpiece that brings technology and art together in the most exciting way. With 5 vibrant LCD screens, this clock isn't just a timepiece, it's a dynamic light show featuring stunning pixel art and even moving GIFs. It is just under 10 inches wide and fits perfectly on your desk, whether in your gaming setup or office. But it's not all about looks. This smart clock also helps you stay organized. You can check world times, monitor the weather, keep track of holidays, and even follow your stocks or social media stats. Plus, with an app that controls everything, customizing your display is a breeze. Whether you're into pixel art or want to add your personal touch with animations or text, the Davoom Timesgate lets you transform it into an actual work of art. It's more than just an RGB light show. It's a perfect fusion of creativity and technology. Looking for the perfect balance between style and practicality? The Zitali Men's Slim Wallet is more than just an accessory. It's a modern essential design for the man who values both sophistication and convenience. Expertly crafted with premium materials, this wallet offers a sleek, slim profile that fits effortlessly into any pocket, eliminating the bulk that traditional wallets often bring. Despite its compact size, the Zitali wallet provides ample room for your essential cards and cash, making it an incredibly practical choice for everyday use. Whether you're racing between meetings or heading to a social gathering, this wallet ensures you can carry everything you need without the weight of a bulky wallet slowing you down. Its refined design not only enhances your look, but also offers quick access to your cards and cash, boosting your efficiency. Ideal for those who appreciate the finer details in life, the Zitali Men's Slim Wallet effortlessly complements both formal and casual outfits, providing an organized and stylish way to carry your essentials. Looking for a versatile tool that simplifies measuring and design? The Hozo Neo Ruler Digital Scale Ruler is a game changer. With 93 different gauges, it covers everything from feet, inches, and yards to millimeters, meters, and even kilometers, making it perfect for almost any project. Whether you're a builder, interior designer, engineer, or just someone who enjoys weekend DIY projects, the Neo Ruler allows you to create custom scales for any need. One of its standout features is the space barrier, an LED light that helps you divide areas into precise sections, eliminating the need for complex calculations. Plus, with Bluetooth connectivity and a free app, you can easily transfer your measurements to the Mizor app, where you can edit, save, and even convert your work into CAD files, PDFs, or pictures. The Neo Ruler also lets you save and load custom scale lists, making it even more convenient. Lightweight and portable, it's made from durable aluminum and stainless steel, weighing just 184 grams and measuring 12 inches long. With a strong 1000 mAh battery, it's designed for daily use, making it the ultimate tool for both professional and personal projects. Taking care of your health at home just got easier with this blood pressure monitor. Ideal for those managing high blood pressure or other health conditions, this fully automatic digital monitor offers a simple, stress-free way to keep track of your health. Its user-friendly design ensures a smooth experience with a quick one-button operation. Just wrap it around your arm, press the button, and let it do the rest, measuring both your pulse rate and blood pressure. All your readings are clearly displayed on the large LCD screen, making it easy to monitor and stay on top of your health. Whether it's for daily tracking or occasional checks, this blood pressure monitor is an essential tool for any home. laptop, the Wave Pads by Posture Up are a must-have for your comfort. These pads are designed specifically for people who experience wrist pain from extended computer use. Whether you're typing on a laptop or a full desktop setup, Wave Pads provide the perfect support, helping to alleviate discomfort and strain. They feature plastic palm rests that allow you to easily switch between using the trackpad or a mouse without any hassle and won't leave any sticky residue behind. Ideal for those dealing with carpal tunnel, their ergonomic shape keeps your wrists in the proper position, reducing the stress on your joints. Made from high-density memory foam, these pads mold to your wrists, offering personalized support while typing. Plus, the smooth cover ensures comfort, preventing any irritation or roughness on your skin. If wrist pain is something you're familiar with, the Wave Pads could be the solution you've been waiting for. If you're a fan of homemade nut milk, the Nut Milk Maker machine is about to change your daily routine. Perfect for soy, almond, and other nut-based milk, this innovative device features high-quality blades that finely grind nuts and blend them seamlessly with water to create delicious, fresh nut milk right at home. To make things even easier, it has a handy maximum water level indicator to prevent any overflow mishaps. Simply close the lid, press the button, and here you have it. Your creamy, nutritious nut milk is ready in no time. But that's not all. This versatile machine can also be used to boil water, making it a true multitasker in your kitchen. Ideal for preparing wholesome plant-based drinks at home, it's the perfect tool for anyone looking to enjoy fresh, natural beverages effortlessly. Say goodbye to dampness with this efficient, small dehumidifier. Perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, and closets. It effortlessly removes up to 16 ounces of moisture daily while operating quietly at just 28 decibels. The transparent tank allows you to easily monitor water levels, and the auto shutoff feature ensures safety. Plus, enhance your space with its soothing, colorful light option, creating a relaxing atmosphere wherever you place it. Looking for a practical yet affordable way to organize your space? The foldable wardrobe is the perfect solution. Designed to help you neatly store clothes, toys, books, and more, this wardrobe features multiple fabric shelves and a sturdy steel frame weighing only 3.4 kilograms. Its well-stitched construction ensures durability, while the variety of colors allows you to choose the perfect fit for your room. The added side pockets increase its storage capacity, making it even more functional. With 4 wheels for easy mobility, this wardrobe can be effortlessly moved in any direction, making it as versatile as it is convenient. Looking for a handy tool that does it all? The 8-in-1 multi-screwdriver with LED portable torch is the ultimate companion for everyday repairs. Crafted from durable plastic, this compact tool fits easily into your pocket, making it incredibly portable. With 8 different functions, it's perfect for tackling a variety of tasks, whether at home or on the go. Plus, the built-in LED torch ensures you can work even in low-light areas, making it a practical solution for all your fixing needs, day or night. Tired of glare and eye strain while working or gaming? The BenQ Screen Bar Halo LED monitor light is the perfect solution to enhance your screen time. With both front and back lights that can be easily adjusted, this smart light works together to reduce glare, eliminate annoying shadows, and keep your eyes comfortable. Thanks to the innovative design, you can control the lighting in any way you want using the smart wireless controller, offering over 100 settings to customize modes, lighting, and color temperature. Whether you're working or enjoying your favorite show, you can select from front, back, or both lights for the ideal setup. This isn't just any desk lamp. It connects via USB and comes with a practical clip that easily attaches to most monitors, keeping your desk free from lamp bases and extra wires. The 5.9-foot 1.5-meter USB cord ensures flexibility in placement, while the weighted clip fits most flat-screen monitors with a border of at least 0.25 inches wide and up to 2.36 inches thick, or curved monitors up to 1.5 inches thick. Just keep in mind some oddly shaped monitor backs might have difficulty with installation. This sleek, efficient light makes your screen space clutter-free while providing the perfect lighting for both work and play. When it comes to keeping your gadgets spotless, this phone and laptop fingerprint-proof screen cleaner is a must-have. Not only does it effortlessly clean your LED TV screen, but it also eliminates those pesky bacteria, ensuring your devices stay both sparkling and hygienic. Packaged in a stylish spray bottle, it adds a modern touch to your cleaning routine. Plus, it comes with a protective shell, a clean shell, and an internal bottle, making it as functional as it is cute. Don't miss out on this practical and essential accessory. Grab one today. Are you looking for a sleek and eco-friendly solution to organize your desk? The Notera Wedge Desk is a game changer. This versatile desk organizer keeps all your office tools in one place, so you'll never waste time searching for pens or sticky notes again. Its unique design features a glass whiteboard, perfect for jotting down tasks and reminders, and best of all, it's erasable. Say goodbye to endless paper notes and sticky notes. This eco-friendly surface can be reused over and over again. Made from toughened glass, it's smooth to write on, ensuring no smudges or ghosting, making your workspace look clean and efficient. The Notera Wedge Desk is also perfectly sized to fit between your keyboard and screen, offering a soft slope for a comfortable, ergonomic setup. Its A3 size surface makes it just the right fit for any desk, and it can even double as a stand for your computer, providing added functionality to your workspace. This stylish and practical desk organizer brings both order and sustainability to your daily routine. Transform your sitting experience with the neutral ergonomic office chair, designed to offer more than just back support. Whether you're working, gaming, or enjoying your favorite TV show, this chair goes above and beyond to keep you comfortable and relaxed. With an adaptive support system, a cozy headrest, and an auto-following backrest, it molds to your body, providing the perfect fit every time. The added footrest ensures your legs stay comfortable, while the retractable laptop table lets you easily switch from work to relaxation mode. Ideal for both gaming and home office setups, this chair is the ultimate